Sat Shri Akal, and I'm humbled to have you back on my channel. So today we are discussing 7 morning habits. And before we begin, I would like to request you all to comment your favorite one down below, and if you have some additional knowledge, please do comment it down below so that I can include it in my future videos. Thank you. Let's get started. The first 10 minutes after you wake up are actually the most influential time, and that's when it's important to have a ritual or a regime in order to maintain a happy balance between your mind and your body and to have a happy day ahead. So use that influential time to the utmost using these tips. Number 1 is no snooze. As soon as you hear the alarm and you wake up, just get up from your bed immediately. Train your mind that snooze is not an option and that word doesn't even exist. Number 2 is stretching. So as soon as you wake up, just stretch your body and perform various stretching exercises so as to get a lot of benefits like better bone and muscle flexibility, better blood circulation, and also it helps relieve stress. Number 3 is drink some water, because 60% of your body is made up of water, and after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is literally begging for water. So please just drink some water as much as you can. Number 4 is breakfast. Eat some healthy breakfast to kickstart your metabolism, and it's rightly said that a good healthy breakfast is essential to even burn calories throughout the day. Number 5 is music. You can either choose to play upbeat music or you can choose to play relaxing music, depending on your taste, but make sure that it uplifts your mood and makes you feel better. Number 6 is do not use your phone at least within the half hour of waking up, and that is just to give a little bit of time to yourself for yourself. Number 7 is read. You can either choose to read a book, an article, or anything that is about motivation, positivity, and gives you a better elated mood, that lands you up in elated mood. Just read positive stuff to stay motivated and positive throughout the day. And that's about it for this video. Please do comment your favorite one down below and the one you wish that I should have included in this video. So yes, that's about it for today. Thank you, and don't forget to be kind. Remain humble and exalt wisdom. Thank you.